Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the camera, we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap and enter the settings themselves. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find restore default settings. So let's tap, and here your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it. And I hope that you saw that the settings simply blinked a little, flashed a little. So now we can go back to the camera, and as you can see, this is actually the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we've got this welcome to camera info. So it will appear if you will open the camera for the very first time. So this is the first evidence. Of course, you have to give all the permissions. Okay, only this time. Okay, we can turn it on, whatever. I just wanted to show you that after entering the camera, you cannot see the grid lines, which is again the evidence that we just reset camera settings to the defaults. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.